In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import QuickBooks to TurboTax. If you're in TurboTax and you want a fast way to bring in your QuickBooks information, this process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find the built-in help guidance inside TurboTax so you can access the official import instructions directly from your return. Start by going to the top right area of the TurboTax screen and clicking the search icon. This is the easiest way to quickly find help articles and guided answers without having to manually browse through menus. If you're not sure where to begin, the search tool is usually the fastest path. Once the search field opens, type in, "How do I import QuickBooks?" Be sure to enter that phrase clearly so TurboTax can bring up the most relevant support result. This search is designed to help you locate the exact article that explains how QuickBooks data can be brought into your TurboTax workflow. After the results appear, click on the help article titled, "How do I import my QuickBooks info into TurboTax?" This is the key step because instead of guessing your way through the process, you'll be opening the official instructions tailored to this specific task. That makes it much easier to avoid confusion and follow the correct method based on what TurboTax currently supports. Once you open that article, follow the steps provided there. TurboTax will guide you through the import process from that point. As you go through it, take your time and read each prompt carefully. Import steps can vary slightly depending on the version of QuickBooks you're using and the type of tax return you're working on, so it's helpful to move slowly and confirm each selection before continuing. A good tip here is to make sure your QuickBooks information is up to date before you begin the import. That can help reduce issues and make the transfer smoother. It's also a smart idea to review the imported data afterward inside TurboTax, just to confirm everything appears where you expect it to. So to recap, you'll click the search icon in the top right, type, "How do I import QuickBooks?" Open the article called "How do I import my QuickBooks info into TurboTax?" and then follow the on-screen instructions provided. That's the simplest way to get started, and make sure you're using TurboTax's recommended import guidance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you import your QuickBooks information into TurboTax quickly and smoothly.